Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is Tuesday, March 17. The time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. So we are looking at the chart of the pound yen today, which is a 45 minutes chart here. So we can see right here that we are in the process of finishing up this with 5, and also at the same time that will end with A. Okay, we can see that the last couple of moves seems to be starting to be showing some sort of a wedge characteristics. Okay, so still another leg lower is a possibility here right now, and then after this last push lower is finished, we should be able to finish the wave 5 and then starting to get a larger bounce in the pound yen. Alright, so another tourist pullback is possible, and then after that we should be looking for some sort of a correction in the pound yen. Now because it is an A here, so by definition the bounce is not going to be something that we do like to try to pick the lows, for example, because if this is an A, this entire 5 is an A, then actually we should be expecting for the downside. So if I zoom out a bit, looking at the 4-hour chart, right? So here we go. So we got this 4 and 3 here, and 5 and A. This is the 3, 4, 5 A. So this is going to be our 2 and 1. So we got a 5 ways down from the December 2019. So we should be ending that cycle pretty soon. Okay. So again, because of the nature of 5 waves, there is no really good way to try to fade it, so to speak, because it's very difficult to manage your risk. You don't really know where you put your stop loss in this kind of thing. So this is not something you can just casually fade it without any sort of risk management. Alright, and over here we are looking for some type of a correction after the 5 ways down is complete. Now the correction doesn't need to be this big, by the way. Alright, it can always be shallow, more shallow than this, and then turning lower again. But I think at this point the cycle is quite mature right now, even though another leg lower is still expected. Alright, another leg lower is still expected, but it's quite mature. So chasing the downside may not necessarily be also a good idea. So for now, this is sort of like a warning that soon we should be ending the cycle and in the pound yen, and then do a some sort of correction, okay, some sort of consolidation, a bounce here before possibly the next leg lower again afterwards. All right, and so that's the idea in the pound yen here. And if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe, and also I will provide the link to the promotion we got. We got a 50% promotion on platinum plan as well as the free trial. So see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.